Hey, YouTube, we're going to do the new song by Mustafa called Ali. And it's got another cool little acoustic kind of chord progression. The chord progression itself, you can play it many different ways, but it's D, then it goes to E, major. Then it goes to F sharp minor to C sharp minor. Alright, so let's look at a couple of ways to play that. The way I hear it, I hear at least two guitars, but and they're also using a delay so that some of the notes are repeating. But I hear them playing it like this. This is just taking this D bar chord and playing just the top three strings. So index on the 5, and then pinky and ring finger on the 7, and that's playing the high E, the B, and the G strings. And then you keep that shape and slide it up to 7/9, and that gives you your E. And then you can play the this shape, which is like kind of like a stair step shape. We got our index finger on this is our F sharp. We got our index finger on the 9th on the high E, middle finger on the B on the 10th, and we got a ring finger on the G at the 11th. That's out of this bar chord. This is your A string root, and that is an F sharp. And we're just playing the top three strings, keeping with our little theme that we had. And then the C sharp you can just play by barring the 9th fret across the first three strings. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a C sharp minor there. All right. Sounds very similar to the D, but maybe a D in the bass or something. But it's a C sharp minor. Okay, so all together that would be. And what you can do is bar those top three strings when you slide up from the E to the 9th fret, and then your finger will be in place. Then just use your middle and ring fingers, and you just have to pull them up. All right. Now we could play that in the open position fairly easily. We'd start out on the D, and then we go to the E. If you want to just play the top three strings, you could just play your index finger on the G string and just play the open E and B strings. So you could do D. That would be for your E. And then your F sharp would just be barring the top three strings at the 2nd fret. And then you would play the C sharp at the 4th fret, index finger on the high E, middle finger on the B at the 5th, and ring finger on the G at the 6th. So you could play kind of something like that. This might be what the second guitar is playing. That's Mustafa Ali. I have one other lesson for his song called Air Forces. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.